Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're paying attention to the market, the last 24 hours have been a little shaky as profit taking got a little bit stronger and the market downturn is becoming a little bit greater. Now if we pay attention to Dogecoin, it has fallen back to its previous support, which is close to 15 cents, but the trading volume is still doing quite well as it is sitting well above the $1 billion mark. At the same time, my Doge wallet tweeted out saying Doge is fundamentally better than anything else. Elon Musk triggers the crypto market momentum. The impact on Bitcoin and Dogecoin could be dramatic, and 82% profit surge for Dogecoin holders. Where is Shiba Inu? Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, social engagement is going to be the next driving factor when it comes to the crypto industry. Now, right now, the way the market is trending, if you look at the overall weekly chart, we're still in a good positive trend, but if you look at the daily chart compared to what was yesterday, it's pretty much the same thing again. The market has dipped even harder. Now keep in mind, most of the tokens are sitting on their previous support, so is Dogecoin. 15 cents is actually quite a big support that we have tested quite a few times in the past, and especially the one that we tested the most before we saw the dip on the May starting. Now keep in mind, May has just begun. I mean, only the first third of the May has finished, and let's just say the market did make a recovery pretty good. The profit taking has pushed us down to the previous support, which might actually put us into a consolidation zone. Keep in mind, the reason this is a good thing is because a lot of limit orders must have been triggered, as if you pay attention, when the market started dipping about 6 hours ago, there was not much slowing it down, but the triggers that we received around the 15-cent barrier has caused the market to go back into the green. That means there is chance for a little bit of consolidation phase. What happens after consolidation right now is a little bit blurry due to the fact that the market is so fearful. Now, recently I've noticed in the comment section a lot of you guys saying, Sky, really like your predictions, please tell us what's going to happen next. Now, I am not God. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I can give you an understanding from the knowledge that I have from my previous experience. From what we are looking at right now, most likely we will be consolidating. At the same time, there is a little bit of chance of a lower momentum, but keep in mind the US information will be coming out very soon, and when I say that, it's the consumer sentiment. Now this is something that will also cause fear in the market, and that's going to be in the next 48 hours. It's not as big as the SEC meeting or something like that, but still going to impact the crypto market. Now let's talk about my Doge wallet. If you do not know, this is the largest wallet, which is pretty much official wallet of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is fundamentally better than anything else. Now this tweet is really interesting, but what is more interesting is who responded to that. Doge designer said facts. Now Doge designer is the one that's very close connected with Elon, gets retweeted by Elon all the time. So this is a good connection that we're still noticing. I mean, Tesla accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment is a big deal. We just need to wait for another interview with Elon and someone asking, when is X Payments going to be announcing Dogecoin? And maybe he might say soon, and that could actually push us to having June being a good month where X Payments does their first announcement. Now, Elon Musk's trigger. So recently, Dogecoin graphic designer has issued a reminder emphasizing that Elon and his company are not affiliated with any token or exchange. Despite Musk's frequent tweets and comments about crypto, he maintains his company will not create a crypto token because there are so many people who can, simply give you a scam token by saying Elon is involved with this. Tesla does not accept payment for some of its merchandise. Now, keep in mind, Tesla does accept, but at the same time, for their vehicle, they do not accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. But in the future, maybe once the Dogecoin price sits in a price range, which will be much easier to track, there might be some sort of thing that we are all waiting for. Now, 82% profit surge. Now, this is really interesting because the major cryptocurrency interesting price dynamics in the past few days. According to the data, majority of the, including Dogecoin, have posted losses in the last 24 hours, but that have been pushed with 163,000 more addresses waiting to be pushed into profit for Doge crossing the 16.5 cents. Now keep in mind, 16.5 cents is not very hard resistance to break for Dogecoin, but that's going to be the time when most of the people are going to be back into the profit zone. Also, if you look at the open interest, has fallen a little short to 700 million, but it's still doing okay. And if you look at the liquidations, the buyers are being hammered very hard with 3.4 million long liquidations just in the last 24 hours. Now if we look about the top 100 wallets which are holding on to Dogecoin, you guys will see a little bit of trend, especially for the 7 days. You can see that most of them are actually on the sell rather than buy. Now there are some buys, but the majority orders you can see in the top 20 have been the sell orders for the last 7 days. In the last 30 days it still might be positive for most of them, but the last 7 days have been quite ruthless, as a lot of people, when the market decided to dip back up, decided to take profit and walk away. Come on Doge, we want to see you in those 30s, 40s and 50-cent range very soon. Now this is really interesting. This person on his electric scooter on the floor has Dogecoin, which I think really looks cool. Now Dogecoin price analyst, well, sell off and 22% downside risk, and that's exactly what I was trying to show you, because the top 20 whales, if you look at the overall ideology on what they are trying to follow, it's very clear. They are all on the side of selling, which means there is a little bit of momentum where we might be seeing a little bit of a downtrend. Don't be so shocked. Now over 5 million Dogecoin holders profit as Doge targets a 50-cent milestone. Now keep in mind, 50 cents might seem very far, but at the same time, if we just see a really strong surge from Doge, it's actually not very far. You can actually see that overnight, if not probably in 12 hours. Now a trader who made giga wealth on memes reveal a meme millions playbook still holds most of his Dogecoin, so suggesting that this person is in the Dogecoin army for the long term. Grayscale halts Bitcoin and Ethereum future ETF proposal to SEC, a major shift in the crypto investment strategy. Now keep in mind, Bitcoin ETF approved. People are trying to now get the Ethereum ETF approved so futures can start doing it. Now Grayscale is just, trying to help us by, putting that proposal to the SEC. And at the same time, Chinese millionaires major corporation makes multi-million-dollar move into Bitcoin. So the whole crypto market has a long way to go. We just need to be a little patient, as I always say. I mean, the Bitcoin halving event has just ended, but there is a lot more things yet to happen. Before we get into more, I do want to say thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.